This for all the girls around the world.
Two steps ahead like C. Fit as Infinity, I'm bad like Ree. I'm Z, I'm she, I don't need no he. These black girl brands gon' hug my cheeks. What I look like being pressed. Gon' rock these pants like a freaking dress. 100K, I don't see no less. Got my name engraved on American Express. This is for the girls independent like me. Got my feelings in my pockets, I don't wear it on my sleeves. Trips to Toronto, trips to Belize. My whole wardrobe paid off by me. Did it on my own before I was famous. Schedule busy, I don't plan on changing. Look in the mirror like I look amazing. Lola Brooke still ain't been nothing to play with.
This for the girls. This for all the girls around the world.
This is for the girls on the grind. This is for the girls that'll work full time. This is for the self-made girls, yeah, the self-paid girls. But I never let them change your mind. Girls who fly, girls who thrive, living out dreams money just can't buy. If you question your why, you feeling defeat, you gon' look in the mirror, repeat after me. I am humongous.